This is BMW Car 5 Series with a CCC system. The OEM interface like this after it is turned on. Now we install a multimedia box for it. Remove the fixing screws of the OEM screen. Remove the LVDS plug and power cord plug behind the display screen. Pry out the air conditioning trim panel with a rocker. Take out the connecting plug on the back of the air conditioning trim panel. Press the small buckle on the OEM ISO harness head with tweezers, and take out the 2P green optical fiber cable. Put the ISO harness inside the instrument panel, and thread the plug end to the back of the OEM display. Run the USB cable through the passenger front, and place it in the passenger storage box. Connect one end of the Wi-Fi antenna to the connector on the back of the box. Peel off the double-sided tape on the other end to secure it behind the display. Connect the plug of the ISO harness to the socket on the Carplay box. Then connect the OEM LVDS female to the LVDS socket marked the LVDS cable on LVDS adapter line. Finally, connect the plugs of the two adapter lines to the Carplay box. Microphone cable through the gap under the steering wheel to the mic socket of the box, and fix the microphone next to the instrument panel. Connect male of Android ISO harp to the ISO plug of the OEM host. Please take the 2P green fiber optic cable from the OEM harness to the Carplay box's ISO male and insert it firmly. Be careful not to insert it in the wrong direction. Connect the Carplay box's ISO cable male to the back of the OEM host, insert the plug, and press the buckle to make it firmly installed. Install the OEM host back to its original position, confirm that it is installed in place, and then lock and fix it. Plug on the back of the air conditioning control panel, and then install it back in place.